Welcome back. This is Dr. Manish Kumar Singh and I welcome you all again in the second BTech Electronics Engineering course, that is Digital Electronics, and today we are going to perform the operation. We are going to verify the working operation of BCD2 7 segment display device decoder. So as I have already discussed in the lecture earlier, that how we are going to design, how we are going to make the connections. So the same thing related to its truth table will be verified here for the successful operation of this kind of decoder design. So all thing has to be done over this digital trainer kit, where we have a requirement of three things. That is one, this most important thing, that is one, this digital trainer kit. Second one is the IC 7447 and this 7 segment display IC. So all the connection has been done according to our explanation earlier, that everything must be connected in this form as I have demonstrated over the blackboard, that these 4 pins of IC 7447, that is 7, 1, 2, 6 will be associated as a input terminal, and these all pins are associated with the output pins, which are again going to be connected with the 7 segment display. Finally, the 8 number pin of IC 7447 will be grounded, and 7, 16 and 3 or 8 number pin will be utilized as a with a power supply. So in this way we have connected here. You can see this is IC number 7447. This is LED 7 segment display. We have taken these 4 inputs A, B, C, D, and all the connection has been done. We will take the output from this display device. So whatever the combination of the BCD combination in terms of 4-bit BCD representation, 4-bit binary representation we will provide from this 4 input terminal, and we will see its output whether it is coming accurately or not. So basically, as I have already demonstrated there, that this kind of truth table has to be prepared for the designing of kind of circuit. So all the designing part has been already demonstrated. All the things has been utilized inside this miniaturized IC, and all the things, all the connectivity has been done with the 7 segment display form. So finally we have to verify its operation by connecting all the associated pins with the help of connecting wires. So here, suppose this is the truth table which we are going to verify. So first of all, we will on this trainer kit. So now you can see here 0 is by default, because you can see here A, B, C, D, 4 input terminals are low, so we are getting 0 associated to its decimal number. So as we are going to verify one by one to its truth table, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, associated output is 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, output is 1. 0, 0, 1, 0, this is output is 2. 0, 0, 1, 1, output is 3. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, output is 4. 0, 1, 0, 1, output is 5. 0, 1, 1, 0, output is 6. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, output is 7. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, output is 8. And 1, 0, 0, 1, output is 9. Apart from this combination, if you are going to utilize any other combination, there will not be a display of any kind of digit, because of our logic expression we have created. Suppose we are going to make 1, 1, 0, 0, you are seeing the incomplete output because this was not displayed. Any combination apart from this, from 0 to 9, you will see the incomplete display at output. So finally, in this way we can say that we have verified the 4-bit input combination as a BCD codes, and its output has to be displayed successfully in terms of that particular decimal numbers which were already supplied in terms of 4-bit BCD numbers. So everything is okay. So that's, we can conclude that the experimentation was successful. Thank you.